get the connection, you're flat on stage. Nobody's gonna... Kailangan, huwag naman OA, na bakit ikaw, nagagano kayo, di ba? Hindi naman, huwag naman. So, ilagay niyo naman sa lugar na may tindig pa rin, pero yung presence nandun. Labas pa lang, nandun na yung presence. Ngayon, kahit kabang-kaba kayo, what we do when we have a difficult dance, we have to exhale, shout through the mouth, ha! Go!
Release ng energy.
Na-release namin yung mabigat kasi nininervous kami, baka fumumble kami or whatever, di ba? So, and then, natural. Pa-fumble ka once in a while, magkaka-mental block ka once in a while, but you have to know how to catch for it.
Save yourself from that mistake.
Always save yourself from whatever mistake you make at huwag nyo ipahalata you made a mistake. Huwag nyo, syempre kamali. Mali yung nota. Mali na nga yung nota, gumanong pa ng mukha. So, wala. Yabang, factor. That's very important. In dancing, it's the same. When we start dancing on the floor, wala kaming pakialam sa inyo kung pintasan nyo kami. Wala kaming pakialam. Gusto namin sumayaw. Period. So, that's the attitude that I need. Kasi I was watching you for a couple of weeks. Medyo mahina yung presence nyo. Medyo sayang kasi ang gaganda ng boses nyo. Pero yung presence, parang masyado kayong, thank you po. Kasabay ko. Alam mo yun, tanggalin nyo yun. Pero walang yabang. Yung tanggalin nyo na, if you can sing, I can sing too. Hindi ka, dyan tayo. Ganon.
Confidence.
Oo, wala eh. Kulang kayo doon. I know you're very young. That's why Teacher Monet is here with you. Lagi kayong sinasabihan at lahat. Sana andito yun, andito yun. Dito pinapasok. Hindi yung, pag-alis ko naman dito, kaya ko naman isa ko eh. There's no such thing. You guys, again, I will tell this, I've been saying this. Napakaswerte nyo. Napakaswerte nyo. Napakasobra. You have to be thankful for that. Whether matanggal kayo, nakapasok kayo, swerte nyo, you're part of PDA. You have very good teachers like Mr. C, Kitch. Alam mo, libre! I'm not joking. You have to put that here. Even if you leave this school. Ang swerte ko. Yung ibang artista, wala. Di ba sa competition? Saka pa lang sila discover, hindi pa, hilaw pa. Yung iba, wala naman free school. They have to enroll. To study dance, to study singing, to study acting. You guys are given the chance to do this. For free. Capital letters. Free. Ang mahal ngayon mag-tuition to go to whatever school, di ba? So, kung ako sa inyo, my God, papasalamat na ako ng sobra-sobra. Matanggal man ako o hindi ako matanggal, ganun din yun. Nakapasok ako, nagawa ko lahat, na-experience ko. Nagawa ko, napanood ako ng mga tao. Kunyari, kunyari ikaw, napanood ka ng tao. Siguro kahit natanggal ka, may kukuha sa'yo kasi nagalingan sa'yo. Marami pa rin. Kumbaga yung, the school gave you already the
foundation.
Yeah, foundation and the exposure. See? Andun na eh. So kahit matanggal kayo, don't feel bad about it. Say thank you.
Hindi nyo alam paglabas yung sikat na pala kayo.
Oo. Say thank you.
Magulat kayo sa mga tao.
Yun ang importante. Yun ang importante. At saka yung tinuro sa inyo, dibdibin nyo na at lagay nyo na dito. Kasi, yun nga, libre. Mas mamahalin ko yun. Kung sana gumaling ako sumayaw, may libre yung pinasukan ko at lahat. At, di ba, naging ganito ako. Siyempre, di ba? Pero hindi, sikap kami. Kayo wala eh. So you have to be thankful for that. Wala ka masyadong reklamo. Pag sinabi sa inyo, oy, iha, kumanta ka dyan, pero gusto ko nakahiga ka sa sahig, huwag ka magreklamo. Gumawa ka ng sarili mong eksena. Paano kahiga sa sahig? Oy, lalaki, kumanta ka doon, pero gusto kong makiat ka doon, tapos mag-tumbling ka. Kaya mo ba? You have to be honest, hindi ko po kaya. Hindi yung, opo, gagawin ko po. Alam mo, mali naman. So, kailangan, you just have to respect the person who's talking to you na hindi ko po talaga kaya. Ang kaya ko lang po ito. Ngayon, you know, there are directors that who's going to handle you, and then producers who will really tell you and challenge you so many things.
Demand.
And demand.